Dear students, I am going to start root modifications. Okay. Remaining topics: respiratory roots. Okay. In respiratory roots, mangrove forest. In mangrove forest. Mangrove forest, Rhizophora and Avicennia. Rhizophora and Avicennia. Rhizophora and Avicennia and Gessia. These roots come out of the ground and grow vertically upward. Come out of the ground and grow vertically upward movement. So these type of roots is called respiratory roots, and it is also upward movement of the roots. This particular part, this is called pneumatophores. This is called pneumatophores. These pneumatophores helps in the respiration. Okay, these plants helps in the respiration. Okay, this type it is called respiratory roots. Okay, best suitable exams: Rhizophora and Avicennia, which is located in the respiratory roots in mangrove forest. Right, next one, epiphytic roots. Okay, epiphytic roots are present in vanda. Okay, these vanda, a special adventitious roots arise, helps in absorption of moisture. Okay, absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. It is called Vellarman roots. This is Vellarman roots. These roots and what is the absorption of moisture? Okay, these Vellarman roots absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere. This is the Vellarman roots. This is the best suitable example, vanda. Okay, epiphytic roots and nodular roots. In some plants, the family member is the Leguminaceae family. Leguminaceae and Fabaceae. Plants. The roots inhabited by Rhizobium bacterium helps in nitrogen fixation. Okay, nitrogen fixation. For example, Arachis hypoxia. Okay, these Rhizobium bacterium helps in nitrogen fixation. Okay, the nitrogen is atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, which percentage, what percentage in the, how much in the weather nitrogen? Okay, mostly the nitrogen in the weather conditions 78% atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, these atmospheric nitrogen absorption in the Rhizobium bacteria, which is helps in the nitrogen fixation. Okay, best suitable example, Arachis hypoxia. Arachis hypoxia and Cajanus ఖజానస్ ఖజాన్, కందులు, పెసలు, ఫేసియోలస్, అరియస్, పెసలు, ఫేసియోలస్, ముంగో, మినుములు, అండ్ వేరుశనగ అరాకిస్ హైపోజియం, సైసర్ అరాటినా, శనగలు, వీటన్నింటిలో కూడా మనకు రైజోబియం ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్హాబిటెడ్. ఓకే, inhabited by rhizobium bacteria, helps in nitrogen fixation. Next, seventh one, photosynthetic roots. Photosynthetic, best example Taeniophyllum. Taeniophyllum, Taeniophyllum. Okay, the roots are chlorophyllous. Okay, totally generally the roots are brown in color. Okay, you know, roots are brown in color, but these type of roots, Taeniophyllum roots are chlorophyllous. Okay, chlorophyllous, the roots are chlorophyllous to perform photosynthesis. Okay, it is called photosynthetic roots. It is called photosynthetic roots. Best example Taeniophyllum. Okay, and next remaining, and the once again repeat the root modification. Okay, first one, let us see what is the root. First of all, you know what is the root. Define root. Radicle of the embryo elongates, leads to the formation of primary roots which grows into the soil. It is called root. Okay, radicle of the embryo elongates, leads to the formation of the primary roots which grows into the soil. It is called root. Okay, the roots are two types. Okay, in angiospermic plants, two types. First one, taproot system, and second one, fibrous root system. First one, taproot system. Okay, the primary roots which grows into the soil, which bears lateral roots. Okay, constitute lateral roots constitutes. It is seen in dicotyledonous plants. For example, Arachis hyposia and Azadirachta indica. Okay, and Tephrosia purpurea, Vempalin. Okay, these type of roots are taproot system. Okay, and fibrous root system. Okay, fibrous root system. What is the fibrous root systems? The primary root is short-lived. Okay, the primary root is short-lived and is replaced by large number of roots are present. Okay, this is fibrous root system. It is seen in monocotyledonous plants, Oryza sativa, maize, sugarcane. This is a fibrous root system. Okay, and root modification. In some plants, roots change their shape and structure to perform absorption and conduction of water and minerals. It is called root modification. Root modification. These root modification is 8 types. Okay, first one, storage roots. The roots become swollen. Storage food material. Okay, it is called storage roots. Example, carrot, turnip, sweet potato. Okay, carrot, the root is stored food material. Root is stored food material. So it is called storage roots. And turnip also and sweet potato also stored food material. Swollen become. Okay, the root swollen become due to storage food material. Next one, prop roots. In banyan tree. Okay, in banyan tree, the roots arise from the branches, grows into the soil. Okay, these roots are axial support and mechanical support. It is called pillar roots. It is called pillar roots. Just look like new building construction. The pillars, what is the spawning? Okay, that is pillars. This is also pillar roots, prop roots, and also known as pillar roots. Okay, example banyan tree. And stilt roots, maize, sugarcane. The roots arise from the lower nodes of the stem. Okay, roots arise from the lower node. See, look here, lower node. Roots arise from the lower node of the stem. Okay, it is gives additional support and mechanical support. Okay, this is it is called stilt roots. Example maize and sugarcane. Okay, and respiratory roots. Best example mangrove forest, rhizophyra and Hausinia. The roots arise from the upward movement. Upward movement. Okay, this particular part is a small force is present. Is small force. It is called pneumatophores. Okay, which is helps in the respiration. Which is helps in the respiration and epiphytic roots. In special example, the vanda, the special advantageous roots, moisture from the atmosphere, absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. Okay, these type of roots is called Bellarmine roots. Okay, and nodular roots, Leguminaceae and Fabaceae family. The roots, the rhizobacterium bacterium, which is absorption of nitrogen and helps in the nitrogen fixation. Okay, and best example Arachis, Hypogeum, Cajanus, Cajan, and photosynthetic roots. Okay, these roots are generally the roots are brown in color, but these photosynthetic roots. Photosynthetic roots are chlorophyllous to perform the photosynthesis. Okay, this is the pineophyllum. Best example pineophyllum.